Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. From yesterday's confirmation of 67.70 break, the market has remained negative, and also to the fact that with the US being out in observance for Thanksgiving Day, the market was somewhat subdued. But nevertheless, I still anticipate that we should see further weakness and look down towards a level of 67.20 and reassess from there. It is viewed though that the broader picture remains to the bottom side of this range, which comes in around 66.60 to 80, with the trend seen as the ADX still remaining firm, and also the fact that the MACD is somewhat bearish. We still need to be on our guard in case we see a rebound, because there is a little bit of bullish divergence, which in terms could easily see a small retracement, but the resistance towards 67.95 to 68.40 should contain any advancement. As I mentioned, the US and looking for the move to the upside to the dollar index, that is, failed at this stage to break above the 98.30, but nevertheless still maintains to hold in front of this level of 109.5070. So with the euro dollar taking a short breather along with its rival, the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, and taking that well-earned break in observance of Thanksgiving Day, now sets the market into a slightly negative tone to the start of this session. Nevertheless, I do add some caution towards the level of 109.5070, as we may see profit taking as previously seen back here in late September. Nevertheless, the bears are still holding the helm, so I do expect to see further weakness. Well, since yesterday's announcement that President Trump signed the bill to back in protesters in Hong Kong, China is angered by the US human rights bill, and so far has been pretty much quite broad on terms of the fact that they're not happy with the outcome. From a technical point, I see 109.55 to 109.70 still capping today, and while intact, I still expect a pullback towards the region of the lower side of the range of 109.05 and down to 108.55. Little to add to the pound as it trades sideways and continues to remain within the parameters of 127.80 to 130 the figure, and still remaining in this noise pattern. Gold still respecting the level 1,450, and while doing so should see a rebound back towards 61, maybe to 65. Now a break of 65 does confirm this bullish outside range day and sees a further ride up towards 72 to 78 to 81. Although a break beneath 50 would negate this bullish call and therefore leave me neutral in the short term. Wrapping up with oil, the market is still very much expected to rise towards 58 to 59 to 61 as a target, and any pullback should find support now seen at 56.80. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the day and to this bright new weekend.